I fixed my seat today.
Yeah?
Yeah, check it out. Wow. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, we're running some wiring to this light here. Try to get this thing fired up. So, got a switch right here that I already started drilling a hole. I'm gonna use a Sawzall, cut this out, put the switch right here, and we're running our wire directly to the fuse box, and we'll put it in right there. So it should be pretty simple, and this light will be hooked up.
You done?
Well, I got it down to here.
That's all we need. Right here. Take this panel off.
Do I need to drill a hole through there? Take the brake off.
There's gotta be something in there.
So we can just wire this directly to the fuse box?
Mm-hmm.
Is there screws in here? I took the screws out. Is there another screw in there?
No, it's fine. Leave it like that.
So that connector just plugs right in there, or how's that work?
No, this is a relay.
We don't need it.
No, you should always. I mean, you should try to use one. This way you don't burn up the switch.
So these lights, they only need speaker wire?
Yeah.
That's pretty badass.
They're small.
Is it on?
Brian still has his car here.
Stop commenting every time I post this car doesn't run. This car has always ran.
If you take the Sawzall to this, I guarantee you it's gonna be a fucking ginormous hole.
Alright, so Soupy got her all wired up.
Yep.
Give her a test.
Check it out. Yo.
Check it out.
That's actually amazing. You got Soupy to stay overtime?
This is jolly. Dude, I'm paying him well. I got cookies, I got sandwiches. What else do I got? Yo.
Check it out, look. It's wired, so in case you like leave it on, right?
So Soupy changes the subject.
Yeah, look. Watch. In case you leave it on, when you take the key, it automatically shuts off.
Tight.
100%
this is better than the vet.
I agree. I put a lot more time into it and love it. Whoa, time out here. Soupy, there's one thing we gotta do, and I know you wanted me to do this. Take that Sawzall and cut through this motherfucking dash right here, bro.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna cut such a big hole. It's just gonna be like and then.
All right, so yesterday, Soupy and I, mainly Soupy, got the rack all wired up. And today I've already started. I'm trying to get this switch put into place. He hooked it up. It's a pretty badass snap-on air tool. So I'm gonna continue to cut it until this guy fits right in there. Should be good to go. I tested the light last night. It's super bright. So gonna get this thing all hooked up. Yeah! Look at that. Yeah. Alrighty. Got the switch. Got the switch all put in the dash. It looks pretty clean. Some may say it could even be professional. What do you think, Jose?
Can't see it from here, bro.
So we'll give her a little test. Key on, light on. Oh yeah, looking good. So I'm gonna put the dash together, and that'll be it. The van's coming together, one little upgrade at a time. Huge shout out to Soupy for the light rack, or for the light panel. Thank you. Let me know what you guys want to see done next to the van.